Hi folks, Francis from Hoof Care. Just giving you guys a little overview of our professional course. We're actually running one here at the moment. You'll see we've got the crushes all set up. The guys are just going now to get another cow.
We both know those moments when all your worries hit again and eat your time. So let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end.
Our trainees this week are working on the 5-step functional method. We've focused the last 2 days mainly on step 1, 2 and 3 and getting our lengths correct, levels correct and the correct models done. This afternoon we're going to be working on grinders and applying blocks and bandages, and we're going to introduce some lame cows to the trainees today. So basically we're mainly practical on this course with some theory.
So let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end and turn out fine. Yeah.
So this professional course isn't only just for guys going to be professional foot trimmers, it's also for farmers who want to carry out their own foot trimming. So this course has got a mix of both here. We've got some guys who've been doing a little bit of foot trimming at home and they know that they can do better. So they've come along to try and implement better hoof care regimes on farms and hoof trimming in hardware.
Your shoulders, show 'em what you're made of. Right here, right now, ain't no worries when you let loose.
The professional course is also open to guys who are already professional trimmers that may have done basic courses over the years or have been somewhat self-taught. So on this week's course we've got one guy who's been trimming for 2 years and we're helping to lay the foundation for him and reaffirm the foundations of the 5-step functional method. That's going really well, focusing a lot on his knife work and upping his skill and increasing efficiencies around that.
Let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind?